And today, a totally different product. This was not sent to me by the company, just something that I picked up because I needed, so I wanted to unbox it and show it to you. This is a Home Innovations Forever knife. It never needs sharpening. It's made of a laser cut forged stainless steel. It has a razor sharp edge for smooth and perfect clean cuts every time, with a cutting designed to provide less friction when slicing and chopping so that the foods stick less, which is what these are. And of course, it's lightweight and easy. There's a little bit of the information here on the back, as you can see. TEKNO, T-E-K-N-O. It is dishwasher safe though, and it's very sharp, so let's open it up with another knife and take a look at our Forever knife. Probably not the proper way to open this, but nothing else in the packaging. But this is it. Wow, it is very, very lightweight. Little flex there, but a very, very nice Forever knife. So that'll essentially do it for this little unboxing of this Forever knife. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.